Do you want stuff like this and this? Well, it's the perfect video for you. So as you can see, there was like character renders, the FiveM character renders. I'll be showing you guys in this video how to make those. So enjoy the video. So for this tutorial, you're gonna be needing Element 3D, which is an After Effects plugin. You're gonna be needing After Effects, and you're gonna be needing Photoshop. So you're gonna be needing 3 things, and also the folder that is in my Discord, because you're gonna need like you're gonna need like characters and stuff for the pictures. So that also. So you're gonna be needing 4 stuff: Element, After Effects, and Photoshop, and the folder in my Discord. So make sure to get all of those. I will try to link all, like, how to get all of those things in my tutorial stuff channel, but I'm not sure if I will link Element 3D or I mean Photoshop is already there, but I don't know about the After Effects and stuff. But if you don't know how to get it, just search on YouTube, you'll definitely find it, and the folder is in my Discord, so join discord.gg/Yuzo. And yeah, so first of all, you're gonna open up After Effects, because you're gonna be needing to render out the character. And yes, I know it's After Effects, and you're gonna render in After Effects like a PNG, but I'll tell you everything, so just keep on watching. Once you're in After Effects, click New Composition, 1920 by 1080, and just press OK. It does not matter the other settings. Just make sure to have 1920 by 1080. Then you're gonna have a background like this. Right click here, click New, and then click Solid. Just do it black, and then you're gonna be needing the Element 3D plugin, like I told you to download. This plugin, just drag it into the black solid right here. Now once you have done that, it's gonna load. And now this is how actually you make intros as well, but hey, that's not what we're doing here now. Now you want to click Scene Setup. Now you want to click File, Import Sequence, and then you want to go to the folder that is in my Discord. You'll have these 3 options. I'm gonna do the Air Force One and Saga Jeans one. Click OK, and it's gonna be this. This is how it looks. Now what you want to do is you want to apply the textures. So you want to go through every single one. You want to check what this is. All right, so this is the pants. So the pants here, and you want to use real FiveM clothing for this. So real FiveM clothing textures. So I might just use here. I don't really have any Saga jeans, so I might just use the sweatpants one. All right, just like that. Here you want to get that hoodie. Actually, you want to put the single light on product as well. There we go. And now you want to put, this is the hoodie. So tight hoodie, boom. And boom. To make it look better, you want to put on a bump, which you're going to find in my other videos. So yeah. So if you watch my intro tutorial, you'll find a folder which is in my Discord with this bump. So yeah, let's put on some good settings, something like this, and then this, and just do it on everything. So yeah, once you have put everything on, just click OK. And your character will load up in a second. There it is. So now what you want to do is you want to position it to where you want to have it. So close up, scale maybe a bit up, and put it down. And just like that. And like this. You can have it like this. Actually, I'm gonna use a different PNG or a different render, so I'll be back. Alright, so just position your character, but before you do that, first position him. So just position him better, since I wanna have him like this. And now I'm gonna show you how to make the quality on the person better, or on the character. So you go to render settings, go to lightning, use comp light. You can have that on or off. I take it off. So just take it off. And then rotation, mess around with this, because this is gonna be here, and then put on product. Or single light. And now you just want to mess around with the lightning. Like, I like to have it from one side. Like this. Like that. That looks pretty alright. And now you can go to shadows. You can enable shadows. And then put this on ray traced. Once you've done that, you go to this one, click enable, and you can have ray trace, but then you're gonna, like, you know, you see what I mean. So just keep it off like that, and that should be good. Now you can go back and mess around with the bumps and stuff, which I'm actually gonna do right now. So this is the mask, so glossiness, don't really need that. Yeah, just mess around with the bump, of course. Yeah, well, that works. So I'm just gonna have it like this. So let's say you want to render this, then all you need to do is click composition, save frame as file, and now you want to change the settings. You want to put on best and full, and here use all proxies all on, and then here nothing. Just click OK. Here you want to click on Photoshop thing and then put it as PNG, and then click OK. And now choose where you want to save it. Right here, I'm just gonna save it here. Call it render, and then render. And now what you want to do is you want to go head over to Photoshop. Now you just drag over the render into Photoshop, and here you have your render. I'm actually going to show you how to make it higher quality. And yeah, so click on file, filter, and then raw camera filter. Click on basic and mess around with these settings right here. This is going to make your design way better. So just mess around, and then texture, you put that on max, and clarity, you can also put that on max, but just balance it out maybe like that. And yeah, that should be good. Just hit OK, and boom, this is how it's gonna look. Now you can click another layer and just put it like that. Hold Alt when you're merging, and now you can just add, like, if let's say there's light coming from this side, you're gonna need like light like this. So just use that. Click like overlay, or yeah, you just use overlay. And you can have like that, and then use dark on this. So like that. See what I mean? So yeah, I'm just gonna fast forward this because I'm gonna make a design right here. So this is just gonna be a speed art for the rest of the tutorial, since I hope you guys did enjoy this tutorial, and smash a like, subscribe, and see you guys enjoy the speed art.